everybody, and welcome back. If you're new, then welcome. Today I'm here with my girls and we're going to be doing Theme Thursday, which is denim and farm animals. As you can see, Talia has her little denim dress on with some butterflies and a cute little white headband. And Maddie here has her denim dress on with some pink lace trim and some designs on the denim. I think both the girls look pretty cute today. And since I don't have anything to do with farm animals in their clothing, I decided to play a game with farm animals and house animals. So they're going to decide whether or not which ones of these animals belong in the house and which ones belong in the barn. So we'll get started and we'll let Maddie choose first. And she decided to choose, it looks like the duck. Oops, she's taking the animals with her. Here is the duck. Okay, Maddie, where does the duck go? Good girl, it does go to the barn. All right, Talia, you can go now. Oh, looks like she wanted the kitty. Here's the kitty. Where's the cat go? Good girl. Yes, it does go in the house. Okay, Maddie. You want the bunny? There's the bunny. Where does the bunny go? No, try again. Yeah. Bunnies can be house pets. Okay. The goat. No, the goats don't go in the house. There you go. The guinea pig. Yep, you're right. Guinea pigs are in the house. Oh, the farmer. Where does the farmer go? Where does he live? No, he doesn't live in a barn. Where does he live? That's right, the house. You want the horse? Horses go where? Right, the barn. The birdie. And where does the bird go? Good girl, the house. Oh, this one's the goat. Okay, she knew where the other one was the sheep. She knew where that went. Where does this one go? The barn? Okay, good job. You want the doggy? Where's the dog go? Right, house. And the donkey. No, donkeys don't go in the house either. Right, barn. Oh, okay, yeah, you know where that goes. There's the fish, and she says house. Piggy? Where's that go, Maddie? Good job. The chicken. That goes in the barn. The rooster. And that also goes in the, oh, we're putting it in the house. You guys need to, you know better. That goes in the barn. And Maddie, Talia, what's the last one? The last one's a cow. And that goes in the barn. Good job, ladies. You're so smart. You knew exactly where those animals went. All right, well, let's say goodbye to all of our friends. Say bye. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and make sure you turn on the little bell for notifications for any future videos. All right, bye, everyone.